Let's solve this problem step by step. We need to find what 3/8 squared equals. When we square a fraction, we multiply it by itself. So 3/8 squared means 3/8 times 3/8. Let's visualize this with a diagram. Here's a grid representing one whole unit divided into 8 by 8 squares. 3/8 of this width multiplied by 3/8 of this height will give us our answer. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together. So 3 times 3 equals 9, and we multiply the denominators together. 8 times 8 equals 64. The intersection of our highlighted regions shows us the area that represents 9/64. Therefore, 3/8 squared equals 9/64. To verify this makes sense, let's convert to a decimal. 3/8 is approximately 0.375, and if we square that, we get approximately 0.1406, which is the same as 9/64. So remember, when squaring a fraction, square both the numerator and denominator separately. In this case, squaring 3/8 gives us 9/64.